out, Rain. Watch where you're going. Okay, come back around. Dashel. Dashel.
Yeah.
Red light.
Hey, how's it going?
Get set. Go. Okay, it's July 31st.
Come here, Rainy. Rainy.
Dashel's second day of riding his bike. Dun dun da 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 da. Whoosh.
Hang on, keep going.
You're so fast.
Fire hydrant.
Freeze.
Alto.
Just a little skid.
He knows how to use the brakes. That's okay. Keep going, keep going. You're so fast, dude. Good job. See if you can turn around and start yourself. Let's see if you can start yourself. Yeah.
See how we do the big jump?
Yeah, that's cool. Get on that thing, see if you can start yourself, bud. What?
Your puppy's getting big. Hey, Rainy, Rainy, hey, Misty. Grab the helmet. Get her back.
She's just trying to roll down the hill with you.
It's good that you have that helmet on, Dash.
Easy.
Probably should be on at all times during these next couple of years.